A patient weighs 72 kilograms and is 10% underweight. How many more kilograms should the patient weigh to reach a healthy weight? So, 72 kilograms ang timbang ng pasyente, tapos 10% underweight. So, 10% underweight. So, kung underweight siya ng 10%, ibig sabihin, itong 72 kilograms na timbang niya kasalukuyan, that is the 90%. Tama? How many more kilograms? So, take note of the word more. So, how many more kilograms should the patient weigh to reach a healthy weight? So, ibig sabihin, ang 90% ng Y, so let's have Y for the total, for the healthy weight. So, kung ang 90% ng Y ay equivalent to 72 kilograms. Diba? Kasi 72 kilograms, that is the 90%. So, now we can have the equation, ang 90% that is 0.9 in decimal number, tapos y equals 72 kilograms. So, divide lang natin. So, in other words, simply divide 72 kilograms divided by 90%. So, ganyan lang siya kasimple. So, cancel na to. So, y equals, so 72 divided by 0.9, correct answer natin ay 8 kilograms. Letter B ang tamang sagot.